Welcome to Birch. In this video, we'll explore 6 powerful automation tasks in Birch, used across Meta, Google, TikTok, and Snapchat, and show you practical examples so you can efficiently manage and scale your campaigns. First up, changing budgets. Automatically scaling up strong performers or pulling back on poor performers saves time and protects spend. Imagine your ad set's cost per purchase today exceeds $20, and you've already spent more than double your budget over the last week. A rule kicks in to reduce the budget by 20%, preventing overspending on weak performance. Next, bid adjustments. These are great for improving delivery without blowing your budget. Say an ad set was launched a week ago but still isn't getting traction. Very few impressions and almost no spend. A rule can automatically increase the bid, giving it a competitive edge in the auction and helping it start delivering. Third, scheduling ads based on when your audience is most responsive. Let's say you sell a product that just doesn't perform well at night, and data shows your audience is active in the morning and afternoon. You can set a rule to automatically start ads at 7 a.m. and pause them at 10 p.m., keeping your budget focused on the hours that actually drive sales. Next, duplication. Perfect for scaling fast. If an ad set is smashing your KPIs, strong ROAS, high click-through, and great cost per purchase, you can have Birch automatically duplicate it. This lets you put more budget behind the same creative and audience setup, taking full advantage of a high-performing asset before fatigue kicks in. Rule number 5. Renaming ads or ad sets automatically. Great for organization and quick spotting of top performers. You could append high ROAS to the name whenever an ad set hits a strong return, or add underperforming when your results fall below target. It's a simple way to keep your campaigns organized without manual tagging. Finally, notifications. Your early warning system for campaign health. If account level CPM or CPC suddenly spike, it might mean competition surged, or there is an issue with targeting or the ad account in general. You can set Birch to instantly send an alert to Slack so you can investigate and take action before performance tanks. These 6 automations powered by Birch let you scale ads smartly, and you reduce manual work across Meta, Google, TikTok, and Snapchat. Thanks for watching. Try these rules in your own account and let automation handle the busy work while you focus on strategy.